starting our adventure right here. I haven't been able to upload any videos this week because we've been planning for this. So just stay tuned. This Here we are in the airport and they're watching something in the iPad. They were running around making us crazy, so
like monkeys.
This is the solution. An iPad. Hey, hello everyone. Yesterday we couldn't film more in the airport because I had like 4 bags plus the 2 kids plus all the rest. So we got here last night and today look my breakfast. I have some tortillas. This is the real typical Costa Rican breakfast. Cheese, natilla and eggs. And today we are going to go to the market to find my favorite fruits. So stay tuned for that. We're going to show you a little bit around, and for now on we're going to start doing videos about Costa Rica, everything. One recipe every week, so I'll see you later. This is something that I love about my country, rain. I miss rain because a lot of times in the United States it doesn't rain that much, at least in North Carolina. So this is something that I really miss. Look at this, guys. This is a real rain. Over there on the other side, there is a coffee plantation. On the other side, another day I'm going to show you about that. So today is being our first day right here. So we just settle and, you know, spending time with the family. But today is a rainy day. It's been raining. They said it's been raining for a couple of days. It's going to keep raining. So I'm going to show you another thing that my mom made for a snack, for a coffee snack. They're called costillas. Mom making some costillas. I know these are orejas. We call it orejas, but she's also making costillas. Look at these, guys. This is how I get spoiled when I come here. Here are the costillas, guys. The ones that my mom were making. This is my dad. And Micaela and Megan eating.
And these are called pastelitos.
Just it.
And they're filled with something called picadillo. And it looks like it has meat and potatoes. So we're gonna watch and see how she makes these. She just takes them and puts little balls of the picadillo on the dough. And now she's folding this over. Pressing it all down, as you can see. And let's see what she does now. And then we'll see what they look like after they come out of the oven.
This is how the pastelitos are at the end, and now we're going to eat them.